Well, guys, I am super excited because there are a couple of new updates for your TM7 and Cookie Doo, and simultaneously both together. So I want to show you the one that I'm most excited about, and that is when you are cooking in a recipe and you go to, let's not go to ingredients, let's go to preparation. You can now skip the steps by going to the step that you want to go to and start the recipe from there. Yay! TM6s and 5s, you already know this happens on yours, but the TM7 has only just got this little update. How cool is that? That's number one. Number two is we have in our modes screen our ingredient presets now, and again TM6s, you've got the chop tool, so you're all set there, but the TM7s had to wait a little bit of time. But here we've now got chopping and steaming presets. So when you go into let's just say broccoli, and you want to steam your broccoli, but you're not sure because you're doing it manually, you know, how long you need to go for, it'll actually just guide you through what you need to do. Same as for chopping. Let's just say you wanted some cheese and you want to chop or grate your cheese. You get to choose how you want it, and then it'll set all of the preset, all of the time, and temperature if needed, or speed for the steaming and the chopping. So there are our ingredient presets found via our modes screen. The other update, and keep in mind guys, you'll have to do a software update which takes about 10 to 15 minutes on your machine, and you will have to do a Cookie Doo app update as well. So make sure that you go into your settings and update your app, because this next feature is the recipe handover feature. For example, if I wanted to cook French onion pasta, oh, look at that, it says send to TM7. So if I press that, send to TM7, it all of a sudden, ta-da, is on the screen, and I can start from there. That's called recipe handover. How cool is that? You just need to remember, update this. It'll come up with a little notification here in the top right hand corner, and just follow that notification. You'll have to just say yes to accepting Bluetooth between the two. You also will want to go here to your settings, to remote access, and make sure these are toggled where it needs to be. I haven't tried it on my Cookie Doo account. I've tried it on just everyone nearby so far. What else do I need to show you here? One more feature, and that is when you are cooking a recipe, let's say, let's go here, French onion pasta, we want to cook 2 minutes, or let's just say, no, we want 4 minutes because it has to be 3 minutes or over. We're starting the recipe from here. I've just put a little bit of water in there for the moment, but let's just go here to the 4 minutes and we press play. What's going to happen is that here on my, I get a notification that tells me I've got something cooking. This is called recipe monitoring, or remote monitoring, mind you. You can go to your activities and it shows you what you got cooking. I can access it from anywhere on my phone to tell me how much time I've got left. And even if I do my lock screen, oops, it's got it there on my lock screen, right? Telling me how much time is left. And let's just fast forward this to having 0 minutes left, and let's go to 3 seconds. Let's see. There you go. I actually could stop it from my phone, the sound. It literally just stopped when I clicked here on my notification. You guys try that and tell me if you're getting the same. Sorry, it's a bit dirty. If you're getting the exact same and you can actually do it from there too, let me know. So that's pretty cool, guys, right? Couple of new features there. I thought it was only going to be 3, but in actual fact, it's 4 new features. 4 new features, which includes that favorite one of mine, which is going into the preparation and skipping the steps you want to skip and getting to exactly where you want to go to start a recipe. Let me know after you've had a play. Remember, update your software on the TM7, update your app on your phone, and then you'll be able to access those new features, which are very, very cool. Let me know what you think.